China said it is providing COVID-19 vaccines to nearly 40 African countries, describing its actions as purely altruistic and an apparent intensification of what has been described as vaccine diplomacy. BBMP War Room data shows deaths due to COVID-19 increased by 95% in the past 30 days, with those below 50 accounting for a sizable slice. While Bengaluru, as on Tuesday, had reported 10,012 COVID fatalities, 4,978 of them were in the past 30 days alone. The United States said it opposes a proposed UN Security Council resolution calling for a ceasefire in the conflict between Israel and Gaza's Hamas rulers, reiterating that it could interfere with the president's administration's efforts to end the hostilities. After confirming 2 variants of coronavirus, Nepal recently confirmed that there were cases of third variant in the country. Nepal's Ministry of Health and Population said 3 variants of the virus have been detected. A senior leader of the hardline Jamaat-e-Islami group has been arrested in Bangladesh for allegedly instigating violence in March during Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the country. Member of Parliament Dr. Nasir Hussain performs the last rites of a family friend, Professor Savitri Viswatan, who died due to COVID.